Hey there, welcome back to CoCo Lace and Giggles, where beauty is made simple. Go ahead and grab yourself something to drink, sit back, relax, and let's get into it.
Ladies, how are you? So, today I have a couple of things that I need to review. One is going to be BoxyCharm Premium. Is it Premium or Lux? I think it's Premium. Yeah, BoxyCharm Premium. Yeah, BoxyCharm Premium for February. And I am going to quickly go over my clean beauty box. My first clean beauty box I had not received yet. I mean, that I have been like teetering, like, do I want it? Do I not want it? And so I decided to go ahead and get it. Um, it's funny because I have so many coming in, and but anyway, this is for my people who are like vegan, vegan, vegan. Why you don't do more vegan subscription boxes? I got you. So this is the last one. I had did all the other ones, the Kinder Beauty, the Naked Beauty box, and now this is the Clean Beauty. Now with the Clean Beauty, you only get like 2 products. Um, I don't think I've seen them do more than that, maybe 3 in their box, and it's like all like vegan, cruelty free, and they're really good products. And they're not like they're not cheap. They're not cheap products at all. So, but they're like high potent and all those great things. So, I'm just gonna go over this one really quick, and then go right into um, Boxy Premium. So, in this Clean Beauty, the theme for this one is Rejuvenate. And I want to say this is February. I believe this is February. And so, Stem Cell Serum is valued at $135. And then the CoQ-10 Toner, which is a deluxe travel size, valued at $10. So, this let's see this one. Okay, so the stem cell serum. This is the box that it comes in by Indy Lee. This is how it comes in the package. Oh, nice! It's pretty. It's glass, and then of course it has your little dropper. Um, it doesn't smell like anything, which is good for those who are sensitive to smell. It's clear. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and drop that serum. And while I got that on there, this is what it looks like. Okay, and this is 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. And it's like any other serum, right? Like, it's silky, but it dries quick. That's pretty much it. Like, is it tacky afterwards? Kind of tacky, but it's still drying. Okay, so the power of plant cells, the plant stem cells meets hardworking botanicals, rare echinacea stem cells sourced from a specific region in France one time per year, are combined with apple fruit extract to help improve fine lines and wrinkles and promote the appearance of firmer skin. What? We about to put that all up in here. Mm-hmm. Um, Alpine Rose provides powerful antioxidants, benefits to nourish and combat a lackluster complexion. So the silica-rich bamboo extracts and hyaluronic acid leave skin hydrated and supple. Skin is left refreshed, radiant, and rejuvenated. So, love, love, love. And then they go on to give you more information about the products in it. So, this, from what I gather, only has 5 different things in the product. but the main thing is the stem cell. And so the CoQ-10 toner. So this hydrating mist balances pH and refreshes skin. The freshly scented alcohol-free formula blends antioxidants powerhouse CoQ-10, aloe vera, and cucumber to deeply moisturize and soothe. Soften skin exposed to environmental aggressors and pollution while prepping the skin for the next step in your ritual. Love, love, love. So let's go ahead and open that up and see what we're working with. It's really packed in here tight, which I like. So they're keeping their stuff safe. A little plastic travel size. There we go. And I believe this is, I'm about to put it so you yeah, like you can scratch this up the screen. What is wrong with me? It's a nice little refreshing smell. Probably a little bit, and I normally don't say this, kind of strong for me, but you know, you're spritzing it on your face, so it would probably be really quick. I don't think this is anything that would, okay, so I think what threw me for a loop is I was expecting more cucumber. When I hear cucumber in a product, I automatically think like, oh my God, this is going to be like refreshing. Where's my cucumber water and mint water? So I immediately think of that. And when I smell something opposite of that, it sometimes throws me. But it's all good. So that box valued at $145. And I believe it comes every other month, so every 2 months. And you are welcome to check them out. So for my vegan people, yeah, definitely a treat. If you are a person who's like, I'm not really trying to do all those boxes, but when I do it, I want to make sure that it counts and I'm all about my skin anyway, that's definitely one you should look at. And it doesn't come every month, so you don't have to worry about like what I'm going to do with all this product. All right, so my next box, of course, same theme. It's the premium, but you know, XOXO, and we're going to hop right into it. So this one has Huda Beauty Pastel Obsession eyeshadow palette. So this is what that looks like. And these are the colors. I'm really not big on. So I can tell you right now, probably wouldn't use that unless I use, well, I would. It would be inner. But like, I'm loving all of those. Those are calling my name. I haven't ran my hand across them because I don't know if I'm going to keep it or if it's something I'm going to give away. But definitely like those colors. And we're going to put that on up. So this retails for $29. That's cool. I don't think I've ever used her eyeshadow before. Definitely different from all the other colors I've been getting, which palettes have been like basically the same colors. You're like, oh my God, if I get another brown, another neutral, or the bright color palettes, they didn't really have like a story. You're just like, what do you want me to do with this? So that's pretty cool. The next thing is the Pure Submerge Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Okay. And this retails for $34. So this is cute. Listen, even if I didn't use this that much, just to keep sitting on the counter, honey, that's cute. And it like sits at an angle. Look at that. That is the most adorable thing. Come on now. I can tell you right now, my girls will want to play with this. Just because. And so, that's what it looks like, a mud. Almost like a clay, right? That doesn't really have a smell. It just smells like a serum or something like that. Okay. You know, from trying these out on my hand, I can tell you right now, I'm not going to definitely, I won't have wrinkles on my hand because I'm always trying to moisturize this on my hand. Yeah. But it, you know, so it's not heavy. But you do feel that coverage. It's kind of light. Actually, compared to my other ones, it is light. And I just tried a little bit, but it's still like moisturized that hand. So I can only imagine. That's what I need to be using to fill in these fine lines, honey. Because can you give me something that's going to lift that up? I'm not trying to have jowls. Anyway, Radial Soft Focus Glow Drops. They say a primer. I just like it just to have it on. This retails for $60 and it is the bomb. Okay? The bomb. When I really started getting into like, oh, let me really start focusing on, I want that natural glow. I want anything that's going to bring that glow out. It's going to help. That deal definitely gives you that soft focus finish under your makeup. The skincare makeup hybrid is the next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. They're not lying. It works. So this is, 1 fluid ounce, which is actually a lot when you start thinking about it. And this is what it looks like. Okay. I'm going to just do like one little drop there so you can see. And I mean, like, it gives off like this, not even like, because when you be thinking, oh Lord, a shimmer, but no, like it truly gives your skin like this natural like glow. Okay. And if you were to take a picture like with it on your face and you take a picture of it, it does give like a soft focus. Not exactly sure what they got in this. Next one is Audacity. And, okay, this is a cleansing water, a Blue Aura cleansing water. A powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Okay, so what I can tell you is that it is vegan and it is no GMO and it's nature science, dermatologically tested, and it's cruelty free. So there you go. I don't know if it's anything about being fragrance free, but we're gonna check. So it has a little stopper in it so it doesn't go out everywhere. That smells good. Very fresh, like lemony, clean. It's gonna definitely be like, oh, refreshing for sure. 120 milliliters, 4 ounces. And it's, of course, made out of glass. So this retails for $39. Then we have the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner, which is this right here. You know, I see Tarte all the time, but it's definitely not something that I'm like, oh, let me gravitate to it. So I think it's pretty cool that I get it in a box because it gives me the opportunity to try things I wouldn't normally try. So this is a gel eyeliner, and it's winged, where you can do your wing tip. And this is like a fine pencil, so I'm going to just do it on my wrist. Oh, ooh, what is wrong with me today? Anyway, so we're going to try this again. And I'm just going to go real slow. It glides right on. Like, it's like butter. It's like butter. And it's cute. Like, it's cute to like sit on your desk with the little foil part. It looks kind of foily. Like, I like that. So this is, and that's what, I'm sorry, that's, you know, this is great to use to smudge out and do like a cute little smoke. Long wear sticky pigment base, and that's this for $15. I can't remember if I used this primer before. I don't know. I think I have. This is definitely something that I'll be giving away because I don't need any more primers. Yep. Let's see. In this box, it will definitely be the Overnight Detox Moisturizer, the Radial Glow Drops for sure, and it's all the skincare stuff. I really am happy about these. I've seen where some people are complaining like, oh my God, all this skincare stuff, all this skincare. Listen, skincare is expensive and it adds up quick. And if your skincare is the bomb, then everything else will be the bomb. So, you know, get that skin in order and you don't have to do as much with your foundation and all of that. I mean, you can just play and have fun with those eyes, but all of this, you don't have to do like a lot of stuff to try and conceal a lot and hide and all that. You don't have to do that. This was cool. I just don't see where I would get a lot of use out of this. And maybe I just feel that way because right now I'm like smack dab in the middle of winter, and I'm like, why am I gonna do lilac? I'll do a plum like this, but yeah, not right now. So that's it in a nutshell. Thank you all for like hanging out. This has been fun, but I want you guys to be safe, and I want you all to make sure you still keep wearing your mask. Make sure you get vaccinated, get signed up so you can get vaccinated if that's what you all are choosing to do. And if you took your first one, remember to take the second dose. That's important right now. But above all, be warm and be safe. And I will check you all out a little later. Bye.